Okay, scholars, want to talk about one of the worksheets that we have for homework this week, missing angle 2. I'm going to start off by giving you a little bit of a definition. Here, this line right here is called a transversal. And when you have two angles on the same side of the transversal in similar positions, which means the angle that's 60 degrees is above this line, and then the angle 16x minus 4 is in the same place on this line. And so because they are in that position, you can set them equal to one another in order to solve the corresponding angles. So you're going to set them equal to one another. 16x minus 4 equals 60. You're going to add 4 to both sides. 16x is equal to 64 divided by 16. X is equal to 4. I'm going to do number 3. As you know, this line right here is a straight angle because 16x minus 6 and this 90-degree angle both total 180 degrees because this is a straight line. So we're going to set them equal to, we're going to add them together and set them equal to 180. So that's 16x minus 6 plus 90 equals 180. 16x plus 84 equals 180. We're going to subtract 84 from both sides. This cancels. We now have 16x equals 96. We're going to divide both sides by 16. X is equal to 6. The last one I'm going to do is number 9, where we have x plus 110 and x plus 90. Together they total 180. So it's x plus 110 plus x plus 90 equals 180. 2x plus 200 equals 180. We're going to subtract 200 from both sides. 2x equals negative 20. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to negative 10. So now you should be able to easily complete the rest of this assignment. See you next time.